We would like to invite all of you for this year's edition of Walk for Life, Walk for Hope, this coming February 23, 2025, 4 a.m. Gathering point will be in the Rizal Park Flower Clock area, and we will journey together. Maglalakbay po ng sama-sama papunta sa Manila Cathedral na magsisimula naman ang programa doon ng alas 5 ng umaga, at 6:30 in the morning, we will have the Holy Mass with His Eminence, Jose Cardinal Advincula. Let's come and join Walk for Life, Walk for Hope 2025 during this year of the Jubilee Year of Hope.